Well, our next guest is a dermatologist who specializes in treating patients of all different skin shades, hair and scalp disorders as well, and much, much more. There's a party as well that you're invited to.
Oh, we love that. Please welcome back Dr. Clementson of 360 Dermatology. Okay, first, let's start with your practice and all that you offer this community.
So our practice, 360 Dermatology, is in Cool Springs, and we are the newest practice in Middle Tennessee. We're a direct care practice, so we're an insurance-free environment. We're physician-led, so I'm the doctor. When you come in, you're always guaranteed to be seen by a physician, and that would be me. My specialty, essentially, is anything skin, hair, and nails.
That's amazing. And I have to say, so you are the only fellowship-trained dermatologist in skin of color. That's amazing. I know we talked a little bit about that before when you were here, but tell us a little bit more. It's great.
Yeah, so I trained at Johns Hopkins. I was their first ethnic skin fellow, and the ethnic skin fellowship kind of was birthed out of the need for having dermatologists who are well trained in identifying the differences, the subtleties with patients and their skin of color. And after that, I feel like it was just like the perfect fit for me, right? Not only is it the skin that I live in, but it just really made sense that I had that niche where I can treat patients regardless of their skin background.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Really and truly, yeah.
Go for it.
Oh, I was going to say, okay, we got to hear about this party, this open house that's coming up.
So we're really excited to be opening our doors to the community. Next Thursday, so June 15th from 12:30 to 7:30 is our open house. Yay. We will have so many things to offer. Giveaways, prizes, our reps from Airlays will be there. So, everyone can come and meet them, talk about the devices that we're bringing on. A lot of them are specific to, treating patients regardless of their skin type. And, we're so excited. So, bring a friend or two, or just bring your whole neighborhood.
Yeah, I love it. Now, scalp treatments. Tell us a little bit about that. I didn't realize there was such a thing, such a need.
Right. So, hair loss is, so my practice is a little unique in that I see a lot of patients with, hair loss and other scalp disorders. And of course, there is a need because, one, patients tend to present later on in their disease, process. And usually we don't have the best options because we can't grow hair. So I'm always a big advocate for, having people come in as soon as, they recognize that there's a problem, because then the earlier they come in, the sooner we can intervene, the more we can save those follicles.
I mean, acne, preventing, scalp treatments. These are life-changing treatments.
Yeah,
I mean, really can make an impact on your patients. What have you heard testimonials-wise?
Well, I mean, I think one of the patients who comes to mind most recently is, a young lady who just graduated from high school. So a few years ago when I started taking care of her, she was almost a recluse. So, I mean, during the pandemic, she was, taking virtual classes. And a big part of the reason why she wouldn't go out and interact with her peers was that her acne was just so bad. She had a lot of hyperpigmentation. And when she came in to see me, one of the things I reassured her, I said, listen, if you trust me, I will work with you. We'll find the right regimen so that, you can be out and you can feel great in your skin. And to see her graduate this past weekend, and I mean, her skin was glowing. And I saw the confidence and the way that she just blossomed over the past 3 years. It gave me a lot of satisfaction.
Oh, I love that.
Beautiful.
And it's so great having somebody who knows their stuff, because I know we both had an issue where we had some hyperpigmentation, and you go online, you read what to do about it. It turns out that can make it all that much worse.
Absolutely.
It makes it angry and worse. So going to someone like you who knows what you're talking about and knows, no, you might have seen that on the Google. That's not what we should be doing.
Exactly so. Exactly so.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think anything skin, hair or nail related, people should go out and see dermatologists, especially board certified ones.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, like
thank you so much.
Dr. C. Thank you so much. Check them out at 360derm.com or call 615 5488-DERM. Again, their grand opening is June 15th. It's going to be really cool.
And that website is my360derm.com once again, and at 360derm on social media.